One day Ronaldo and Messi became construction workers. Messi operated the crane but couldn't resist showing off his skills, treating it like a football match. Then Ronaldo and Messi played there. Messi lay in the wheelbarrow, and Ronaldo gave Messi a ride in a wheelbarrow. Ronaldo then challenged Messi to a digging contest with excavators, turning the sight into a playful competition. When Messi was playing with a crane, Ronaldo quietly finished the job with precision. If you think Ronaldo is the real GOAT, hit that like, subscribe. If your team Messi, drop red hearts. But if you are your team Ronaldo, drop red hearts.